Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Welcome back to another episode of Matt in the Morning. I am Matt, and this is
Adeline Bell.
Adeline Bell. What do you have on your forehead?
I have a squishy.
She has a watermelon squishy. I don't know why, but that's what's happening. So here we go. So what we got is, on this video, we're going to do two different sauces. And so Stephanie was just in Argentina for work and ordered a steak, and it had this couple different sauces or something on it. She looked it up, found a couple recipes, and said, let's do this. And I said, okay, I'd love to try this. Let's do a video. So the first one, Salsa Criolla. I don't know. Here's what it is. Let me tell you what's in it. And then, so hang on. So, and don't worry about writing stuff down, paying attention to this. What's in it and how to put it together is all going to be in the description below. So it's bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, garlic, which I forgot the garlic, so I'll get that in a minute. Olive oil, red wine vinegar, crushed red pepper, oregano, and salt. So as you can see down below, boom, is I already have everything chopped up. There's the tomatoes, red pepper, yellow bell pepper, and I used red onion. So the ingredient list on here was just a regular onion. I went red, and you could use green pepper if you want. You know, maybe I should have used some of one just to add some extra color to it, but I've already got them chopped up, ready to go. This one's super simple because you could even purchase stuff from the store already chopped up where you can just throw this together like you're about to see. You know, if you got a garden, got this growing in your garden, even better. So, and just want to add, there's so many other different things you could add to this. And I'm kind of like, for a steak, like I'd love this on tacos, just to dip with chips, everything, right? So don't worry about the garlic. I'm going to add that when I cut here to go get ready for the second sauce. So anyways, yes.
Are we ever gonna do a video with watermelon?
I don't know what kind of video we can do with watermelon, but yes, we will. Yeah, you can bring your watermelon squishy.
Yay.
Okay, so now once you get all these things chopped up, and I'm going half. This is half of the recipe. And also, it notes crushed red pepper. I'm keeping that out for now. Once it's done, I'll add a little bit to it. A certain one doesn't like spice, right? So, anyways, neither here nor there. So, Adeline Bell, why don't you go ahead and mix all that up? Just get your hands in there and mix it up. That's why you got the gloves up. Well, don't like squish the tomatoes. Just get it all good. Get it all mixed up there.
Oh.
That's fine. Okay, there you go. There you go. Get it all worked in. Now you want me to show you? Just getting it mixed up here. Okay, so now all you do is you add, and I'm adding pepper as well, just because I want to. I'm going to add some salt, and this is all just to taste. There's no certain amount or anything. You just measure with your heart. You just measure with love.
Yes. Measure it however you want. It's okay if you add too much too.
Yeah. So going through a little red wine vinegar. You want to be careful. Hey, you want to be careful with the red wine vinegar. You do too much, you could overdo it, depending on what you like. Mix that up. Listen, that's all you do. Bunch of chopped stuff, throw in a few seasonings, red wine vinegar, and some olive oil, and that's it.
Your ear's talking. He says he wants to try it.
That's good. I'm gonna do a little more red wine vinegar.
I will be right back. I'm gonna put this on a stand for Dad in the middle.
All right. Yeah, that's good. I don't know why they're putting this on steak. I'm gonna find out, but I like this on tacos, on enchiladas, stuff like that. This would be, ooh, I'm even thinking, what if you had a smash burger, pepper jack cheese, some of this on it? Ooh, and this will be even better once I spice it up a little bit. You could do jalapenos, whatever. I'm gonna do a little, hey, good job. So, anyways, that's it for this one. Criolla salsa. So let me get the other stuff ready for the other sauce. The other sauce is going to be more of a liquid. It's where you could marinate something in, have something to dip in, something like that. So we're going to do that next. All right, I am back and we have lost Adel and Bell. So I'll just do the second part by myself, I guess. So as you can see down below, what we got here is a half a cup of roasted red peppers with skin removed. You can get them jarred or do it yourself, whatever you feel. Half cup of parsley, 2 teaspoons minced garlic. Listen, they say 2 teaspoons. I do like way more, and that's okay. That's what my heart tells me to do. So that's what I do. Anyways, back down here. What else? We got about a little over 2 tablespoons of minced shallots. And, well, I guess that's it in here, right? Yeah, that is it. Over here we have 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And here we have black pepper, red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, and salt. Then over here is a 1/3 cup of olive oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the ingredients except the olive oil into here, and I'm going to blend it. Then what I'm going to do is put the olive oil in, mix it up, scrape all this out into a jar. That's the sauce. So, and again, with any sauces, do what you want. Add, remove, whatever. This is what the recipe called, and this is for this, I don't even know what it's called. Just some Argentina steak sauce. So, I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over. I'm going to let this some steaks marinate with this. I'm going to rub some on a couple of them. And then I'll top it with this stuff that we just made a second ago. So, very interesting. I don't think it's going to be bad. I just know that stuff we just made with Adel and Bell, that's going to be delicious on so many other things. Anyways, let me throw this in the blender, see what it looks like. Shoo-wee. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Get some smokiness from that smoked paprika. Tons of good flavor going on. Got that parsley in there coming through. This is pretty good. So now that I blended it, and I could do a little more red wine vinegar, but I got to still add the 1/3 cup of olive oil, and that's it. Now from here, you'd want to put it in a jar, put it in some container to store it. But a lot of this is going to get used because I am going to marinate a steak with it. So I'm going to hit it in the blender one more time. Actually, and that's it. So once I cook steaks and all that and throw it down, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like and what it looks like. You won't be able to see this on the steak after I cook it, but I'm just saying. I'll put some on there to dip in to try it like that too. So yeah, come back later and let you know what we think about these two, the sauce and the salsa. Anyway, see ya soon. Okay, well, I plated a couple plates for the thumbnail for this video. And then tiny one, Davis Noel, she's, oh, what's that? What is that? What is that? She's like, I want that. I want that. Okay, take it. I had my other one that I was going to have here for you guys, but Stephanie isn't feeling well today. And she came upstairs from the basement and was like, oh my gosh, I'm hungry. And I was like, okay. So I got nothing to show you during this clip right here, but it's right here. So I took the sauce / marinade and we put it on the steaks. Just going to be for a few hours, but then we didn't have steaks last night, so it sat overnight. Anyways, took and grilled those and then had a little bit more to dip it in to try it like that. And then of course I put that Salsa Criolla on top too and had it with it. Really good. Now that Salsa Criolla, I've been eating the crap out of that. I'm going to be honest, dipping it in chips. We had some leftover enchiladas. I put some on that. That's just a really great salsa in general. I've never thought to put that on steak. So that's why I thought it was interesting when Stephanie brought this up. Like, hey, when I was in Argentina, they had a steak and here's what we had, da-da-da. It was pretty good. the sauce I enjoyed, you know, the marinade sauce / marinade, and the salsa stuff on top was really good. So I enjoyed it. And what I did was I had it with, well, as you can see up there, I put it on some mashed potatoes. And so all together with that steak, the salsa, the marinade stuff, all that in a bite, delicious. And Tiny One loved it too. Adeline Bell's a little pickier, so it is what it is. But anyways, that's all I got. Just want to show you a couple of sauces. We enjoyed them. There's multiple different things. You know, the sauce marinade, definitely with some chicken, but I almost wonder what it'd be like on some fish, some salmon. Anyways, that's for another video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here with me, and I'll wake up with you next time. See ya.